Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well and having a great day. And today's video is Boxycharm. And this is the May 2019 box. So we're just getting right into it today. I'm not wasting any time. And for those that don't know, Boxycharm is I always forget the amounts, $21 a month. And this is a beauty subscription. And sometimes they do throw, even though it's still beauty, you know, you get brushes, you get different types of items. And you get 4 to 5 full-size products. And I think they promise a value of over $100 or something like that. So this month's theme, and a lot of boxes have themes, and it is Make Waves. And then on the other side of the card, they give you the items with a little description and the value, which is nice. And let's start right with this first product. And it is from Dose of Color. And this is a liquid matte lipstick. And this has a value of $18. And I'm trying to think here. And this is the color. And that is Strawberry Pop. And I'm not going to be swatching this because this is not a color that I will wear. I'm just not into the pinks at all. But this is the packaging. I mean, it's beautiful packaging. And that's glass. That's not, you know, plastic. I mean, you get a good amount of product. So that is nice. I like that. I wish I wore that color. I mean, I don't know if I'll decide to wear it. I kind of doubt it. Just not my thing there. And this is, I'm trying to think what company this is here. Is that the name of the company? No. Oh, it's Ciate London. Oh, okay, that's why. And this is the Eye Luster Cream Shadow. And this has a value of $22. And this is a long-lasting shimmering eyeshadow, supposedly. Don't know if they have if there's different colors. Oh, this says Cupid, which I don't know if that's going to focus in on that, but this is Cupid. It's the color. And this is the shade right there. So I'm not going, well, you know what? I might swatch this because, you know, doe foot applicator. Ooh, that I might wear. I'll show you that. I don't know if you can see that right there. And that's the color. It's right here. Very pretty. I do like that. I mean, that would be great. I actually might try that myself. Did I tell you the value of that? Yes, I think I did. That's $22. Oh, we got a nice big product, and this might glare just because of the light. And this is from GlamGlow, and this is their Gentle Bubble Cleanser, and this has a value of $28, and that is a big box. So let's open that up and see what this is all about. That's a nice big tube. So this is the tube, and that's very, very nice product. I think I've tried more like the GlamGlow masks. I don't think I've tried any other products from GlamGlow, so I am excited to try this. I mean, this is a daily conditioning cleanser, so it probably does have a safety seal, but we're going to find out. I can't tell, but I wonder if it has a scent. Sometimes I don't mind cleansers with a scent. Doesn't really say if it does or it doesn't. And this glare is, you know, deep cleans, removes makeup, which most of them do. I can't get over how shimmery that is. I mean, it definitely is drying down. So that is really pretty. And then the GlamGlow, I don't know if I told you once again, I'm losing my mind today, it's $28. And then we have, and I think this is from Mellow Cosmetics. Yeah, Mellow Cosmetics. And this is a brow definer. And here it is. Mellow brow pencil. And this has a value of $18. And this is non-greasy, easy glide formula. Okay. I don't know if the coloring, if there's a color. Just hope it's not too dark, because I usually use like a taupe or I like some of the lighter colors. don't know if it has the color on here. Probably a brown tone or a universal shade that we can all use. And then the last item in the box is from Alamar, and this is the Colorette Blush Trio, and this has a value of $22. And the packaging it's pretty nice. Oh, it does have a mirror, so I'm going to block that so that I don't pulse any glare because I have a light behind the camera. So these are the colors that you get. I mean, they're very pretty. And of course, I'm dropping everything today. So what's new, right? These are more like peaches. Oh, they feel nice. I don't know where to put that on my... And the one I did was Castaway, which is right here. Castaway. I don't know if you can see that on my hand there. That's very pretty and very... it feels very creamy, but it's obviously a powder, so it can't be creamy, but it feels nice in the pan. So I'm excited to try them. I love lipstick, glosses, things like that, and I love blush. Lately, I can't wear too much around my eyes until I correct an issue I'm having with my right eye. So I have to sort of stay away from a lot of the eye makeup and the mascaras, which even if I wear waterproof mascara, it still just irritates my eye to no end. So that is the Boxycharm for May 2019. Not a bad box, not a great box. It's not one of the best boxes that I've ever gotten. But with points that I had some add-ons added to my box. So it came separately in a different envelope, but it came the same day as my box. So one of the items I chose, and I think this is a Luxie, and this is their 732, I think that says. And this is their foundation brush. And I just wanted I have an IT Cosmetics one, and I just wanted to try a different brand's brush, but this seems very nice and very sleek, ergonomic, so that when you hold it in your hand, you're holding it nicely so that it's comfortable. So I wanted to give that a try, and I forget what the price was on their website on Boxy's Charm Room, but I wanted to try that. And then the other item that I got is a 24/7 eyeliner, and I'm trying to think what company this is from. And I don't think that this was like your typical black liner, if I'm not mistaken. Right, it's a silver liner, and that looks like it's broke, if you can see that. I didn't want a black liner. I wanted to try. Yep, that's broke. The whole tip just broke right off. So that's nice. I didn't even touch it. I don't know if you can see that right there. It's the silver. Yeah, you can see that. It's right here. So that's kind of interesting. I wanted to try something different rather than always getting black or, I wanted to try a color liner, and a piece of that just fell on the floor. Not happy that it broke right away, but it's okay. But that is pretty nice. So I got 2 add-ons with some points that I have accumulated, and then all the items from Boxy. So like I said, it was an okay box, nothing too exciting. Like I said, I like the blush palettes. The most exciting product in there was probably the product from GlamGlow, since I have only done their sheet mask before. Everything else is pretty much, pretty typical and the same that we get every month from Boxycharm anymore. I think they need to start changing it up and giving us a little different product. And thanks so much for watching my video today, and don't forget to leave me a comment and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel. And thanks so much. Bye bye.